welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a video talking about my hair. So as you guys know, or if you guys have been watching for a while, I used to have really long hair. I used to have my natural long black hair, but then I got it dyed and I got balayage, I got baby lights, I got more baby lights, and I just did tons and tons of things to my hair. Honestly, right about where I am now, I've probably spent over $5,000 on my hair. Not even gonna lie. So that's the first thing I probably should let you know, is that the hair is very, very expensive. Having nice hair is expensive. Maintaining that hair is even more expensive. So, probably one of the most expensive hair things that you could probably do to yourself is pretty much getting global bleach, which is what I have. And global bleach is a technique in which you basically just bleach your entire head. If you get something like a balayage or baby lights or whatever, it's less noticeable, and when your hair grows out, it kind of just grows out with it, which is why those types of hairstyles, I would say, are more for girls for lower maintenance and for those who don't want to do like crazy colors or whatever. But if you want to have colored hair, you're going to first have to completely bleach your entire head. You're going to have to bleach your hair probably several times until you get it light enough to where you can put color on it. And my hair, I would say, is pretty much the lightest that it will go. Perhaps I'm like at a level 9, I'd say. I believe the level of like hair lightness goes from like 0 to 10, I think. And I think I'm like at a level 9. But yeah, so I wanted to talk a little bit about having platinum blonde hair and what that's like. Or I would say, yeah, I have platinum blonde hair. Sometimes I want to make it a little bit more silvery or whatever. So yeah, today I thought I would tell you guys the different products that I use and things that you guys should know before going blonde. So first thing is, going blonde is very expensive. I think you can, for a lot of people, if you have completely virgin hair meaning that it's never been treated, there's no processes on it, you can probably go to this blonde in like 1 or 2 sessions. And you should probably go to a stylist that's very good. I would say global bleach starts at around $400 to $500, and it depends on your hair length, your thickness, etc., which can hike the price up. And of course, it depends on the salon that you go to, but if you go to a good salon, it should cost around $400 to $500 per session. You essentially just strip your hair of its pigments, which makes your hair very dry and very brittle. So when you have, bleached hair like I do, you don't want to wash it as often, because that washing it too often won't help to preserve your hair color, and it's also damaging to your hair and it strips your hair of its natural oils. But because your hair is bleached, and it ends up being a lot drier than when it's like, normal and I'd say healthy. So I actually don't wash my hair every other day that I used to when I had black hair. I wash my hair every 3 to 4 days. Sometimes I go without washing my hair for like 6 to 7 days. It's definitely possible because my roots just don't get as oily anymore. And if it does, I feel like get a little bit oily, I just throw my hair up in a bun and I just wash it. I try to extend the period of when I wash it to preserve the longevity of my hair color. Something that you should know about global bleach is that you should get your hair touched up, your roots touched up in particular, every 5 to 7 weeks or 8 to 10 weeks. And of course, depending on how long you wait between your touch-up sessions, the prices are going to vary. So the salon that I go to is called Raw Studios. It's founded by this amazing, amazing girl. Her name is Nikki, and I'll put her Instagram over here. And if you guys are in the Bay Area, particularly San Jose, you guys should definitely check her out. Even though I live in Berkeley, I literally drive down to San Jose to see her because she's that good. Yeah, I highly recommend her. She's been doing my hair since January, and I haven't regretted it since. And yeah, I just really love her. I think her prices are reasonable, and she's just a great person, hilarious. And yeah, I just really love her salon. Great vibes. Anyway, so back to products that I use to maintain my hair. The #1 product that I use to prevent brassiness is the Fanola No Yellow Shampoo. I don't have it with me right at this moment, so I'll insert a picture somewhere over here, and you can get it off of Amazon for a pretty good deal. And I typically get the largest one. I believe it's like a liter in size, and I typically just squirt some of the purple shampoo and I mix it in with some color fade resisting shampoo, and I use different brands. I use Wella, I've used Redken, I've used other salon brands that you can find in Target or Ulta. Typically you can find deals at Ulta where they offer the jumbo sizes for cheaper. You just need to kind of wait until when those deals come. But I typically just use those, and I want to make sure that you want to make sure that your shampoo and your conditioner don't have sulfates or parabens, and they're all free of all of those chemicals. So that is the most important thing in order to preserve the color of your hair. And so I use that, and I mix in a little bit of the Fanola Purple No Yellow shampoo, and then I lather that over my head. I don't have it like sit in there for too long. I typically just like scrub it and wash my hair like how I normally would. And then after that, I then go in with conditioner. So for conditioner, I just use any sort of conditioner that is color protecting and prevents color from fading. And I typically, again, use the Salon brand. And since I've been having some more platinum silvery hair, if you guys have colored hair, I highly recommend you use the brand Viral. So currently, since I want my hair to be a little bit more silver and to try to maintain the silveriness of my hair as best as possible, I use this Viral conditioner shampoo. It's really, really good. It's quite strong. And this Viral conditioner, you can get it off of Amazon. I believe it's $30. They also sell a shampoo counterpart, so you can get the shampoo and the conditioner and mix it in with your normal shampoo that you use. So yeah, those are pretty much the products that I use on a daily, and they've been really helpful in helping me maintain my blonde hair. And honestly, I love blonde hair. People do say that blondes have more fun, and I do agree with that. Honestly, having blonde hair is such a vibe. It's definitely attention catching. I think blonde hair honestly makes me look slightly older. It makes me look like, I don't know, 25 or something. Actually, I don't even know if I look 25. But I definitely don't look my age, which is 19. So something that you guys honestly need to know about root touch-ups is that everyone is different when it comes to scalp sensitivity, and for me, it's particularly painful. I have an extremely sensitive scalp, and so the process is that when you go to the salon, they typically sit you down, and then the first thing that they go in is they go in with bleach. So they start at pretty much your roots, and they section it off. They section off your entire head, and they pretty much just put bleach starting from your root and down a little bit just to like cover the grow out. So the bleach part is not too painful. And I've learned that it's not too painful if I make sure that if I make sure that before my salon appointment, I don't wash my hair for at least a week. So I make sure that my hair is disgusting, like literally sometimes a week and a half, maybe even 2 weeks of not washing your hair. Just make sure that your hair is the most oily and gross possible. And then I go in, and when they apply the bleach, since your hair is protected, your scalp actually, since your scalp is protected by the oils that you've let basically sit on your hair, and the bleach doesn't hurt as much, which is great. But after they wash off the bleach, then they apply the toner or the color or whatever. And that's the part where for me, it hurts so damn much. And the toner needs to sit in your hair for like 20 minutes or something. And it burns like crazy for me, honestly, to the point where I want to cry. It's like thousands of needles and fire ants just crawling over my head. And for each person, of course, that's different. And some people virtually feel no pain or very little pain. But for me personally, it's so freaking painful, which is why I honestly dread getting root touch-ups. So in that sense, like having completely global bleached hair is not the best for me because I have to suffer through the salon. But hey, you know, pain is beauty. No. Beauty is pain. Beauty is pain. Sorry, I got that totally mixed up. Yeah, so that's something that if you have blonde hair, make sure that you know that. Root touch-ups can be anywhere starting from like $200 to $250 depending on the amount of grow out that you have. Salons might charge you $300 for a root touch-up, and you have to get that done like every 2 months, you know. So it is definitely something that is expensive and something that you should keep in mind when you want to go blonde. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope this gives you guys a little bit of insight into what it's like to have blonde hair and the products that I use to help to make my blonde hair last longer in between salon sessions. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give the video a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Falling in love really ain't for me. Pouring it up so I feel nothing, but I still can't sleep. Niggas can't compare.